In 1970, Pontiac did more than just build a car. They built a legend. The Trans Am Ram Air 3 wasn't just muscle, it was heritage, style, and performance all rolled into one. The Pontiac Firebird had already made waves since its 1967 debut, but 1970 marked the dawn of the second generation. GM's Bill Mitchell gave the Firebird European-inspired styling, longer nose, fastback profile, and curves that made it stand out in an era dominated by boxy muscle. This was also the very first year for the Trans Am nameplate, a car built for the track, but made for the street. The Ram Air 3 packed 345 horsepower out of Pontiac's 400 cubic inch V8, high flow heads, 211 177 valves, and 4-bolt mains. This was Pontiac engineering at its best. Matched with a wide ratio M20 4-speed rock crusher and a 12-bolt rear axle, the Ram Air 3 Trans Am wasn't just quick, it was fierce. With only 1,769 of these made, this one is one to remember. Inside, Pontiac gave drivers a cockpit designed for speed and focus. Engine-turned aluminum dash bezels, bucket seats, full instrumentation, and the iconic Hurst shifter. I'll remind you, this one was built for the road, but inspired by the track. This particular Trans Am underwent a full restoration in 2015. Painted in its original polar white with signature blue stripes, it sits today as a true time capsule. BF Goodwrench radial TAs, near flawless black interior, make this just as striking as when it originally rolled off the assembly line. From the first rumble of the Ram Air 3 to the side of that shaker hood rising under acceleration, this Trans Am is pure 1970 Pontiac soul. A perfect blend of muscle and style, restored and preserved to remind us why the Trans Am nameplate still resonates decades later. This isn't just a classic, it's history on 4 wheels. The 1970 Pontiac Trans Am Ram Air 3. A car that defined an era of American performance. Amazing. 1970 Pontiac Trans Am. As the weather's getting nicer, this is what you want in your garage. When you can take something out like this and really be able to enjoy it, it just makes it that much better, that much more awesome. It is everything that you want. It drives out great. Now we're going to go through a couple of the things on this, on the exterior and the undercarriage. Now it does have the VIN stamped on the engine. We have talked to multiple people with Pontiac that say, well, they haven't seen anything like that. We can't prove it, and we can't not prove that it's either numbers matching or not numbers matching, because the VIN is on the engine and the transmission. Problem is that on the engine it is stamped twice. But this thing is just awesome. It is a Ram Air 3. We have the PHS documents. We've got all the good stuff. The interior's in great shape. I mean, it really, wipers work, speedometer works, tach works, fuel gauge works, all the gauges work. It does have heat, does not have AC. Now, we got, yeah, hey, so we got FM radio. I mean, this thing is just awesome. If you're familiar with the Ram Air 3s, this is one that you will definitely want. It's just got all of the good stuff on it, great color combination, documentation with it, and it runs so good. That's what I really like about this one, is sometimes they just are, you know, not the best. This one runs out great. Steering is really nice and tight, and you can see when we get under the undercarriage just how well maintained this one is. Also, just it's all metal. That's what I really like about this one. There's no rot or rust in this one, all in really good shape. And hey, even the shaker hood, it's still working, all the good stuff. This is one that you'll want in your collection. Remember, we have over 300 photos. We have online financing, nationwide transport, all ClassicCarAddict.com. The exterior on this Ram Air 3 is just beautiful all the way around. There's really not a lot to mention in any of its flaws. Just going through, the paint shows really, really well. Fitment, just a little bit here on the front, and there is a little bit on the front bumper, but this fitment is actually really, really good. And I like the fact that this is all metal all the way through. That's what makes this one just really good. Obviously, this is just a little bit of just debris from it driving, but overall, this thing is really, really good shape. Might be just a little, there's a little paint gouge right there, just a little something that can be touched up, not too bad at all. Maybe just a little bit right there. Nope, that's again just on the paint, so no really scratches on it. Maybe just a little scratch right there. That looks like that will probably buff out. Again, just a little kind of dirty in through here, but shows again really, really well. Now getting into the obviously a original rim, and then you also have got your Goodyear on here, the Poly GT F60 15 all the way around, and really good tread with those as well. Really brings out that nostalgia of the 70s. That's what makes this one just so awesome all the way around. Again, even all of the rings are in good shape. Going through there, and then in the front as well. I like that they're all matching. Now, one thing with the paint, and you'll be able to see it in our pictures, you can see there is a little bit of checking that is right here on the front bumper, and that is just from the polyurethane that is on these front bumpers, and that's used. But let's get into the heart. So obviously you got your 400 numbers matching, and we'll put a picture up so you can see it as well. We'll show you the numbers matching. Now, we are not selling this fully as numbers matching because we cannot verify the authenticity of it, but this thing runs out amazing. Power steering, power brakes, it's got all the good stuff, good battery, and you can tell this thing is really, really nice and healthy. It also does have all the PHS documents that shows that the heads, carb, intake, those are all from Ram Air 3. So you're getting all of that. Also, the M20, you can hear it even in the test drive. The Rock Crusher, it's called the Rock Crusher because it sounds like a rock crusher. It's got its own sound, and if you know the M20, you know the M20. Now going through, all the rubber seals are all in really, really good shape. Windows go up and down, really nice. I like that. Locks work. All the gauges, all of those work, as you kind of saw in the test drive as well. Hurst shifter, I mean, even just the steering wheel, dash pad, all in really good shape. Sun visors, headliner, all in good shape. No rips or tears throughout. Just shows exactly like something that you could put in your collection. You can really show off. You can drive it. You can enjoy it. Kind of whatever that you want to do. Now let's get into the trunk. Show you that, and I'm going to show you the lock here too. So locks do work. That's always a plus. So you got the right keys. And then trunk. What I really like about this, it's got the spare tire, it's got the jack, and as you can see under here, just solid all the way through. That's all metal. It is all metal all the way through. It just shows. Now, is it full concourse? No, because it'd be worth a lot more, but it is super, super solid car. Low production, 1,769 of these made. Look at that. Hey, that's all working like it should. Fitment, I mean, that's really nice and solid the way that it should be. No rips, no tears. Again, all the seals, all the rubbers, they're just all in really good shape. And just even through here, it's just a very, very nice, high quality restoration. And windows, those work great, just like they should. Hey, this thing is ready. Let's go check out the undercarriage, show you all how that has to offer for you. All right, we are getting under this 1970 Ram Air, and you can see here, front disc brakes, all of the upper and lower control arms are all in good shape. All of your steering components are all in good shape. You got your sway bar, and going through here, you do have the correct heads, and there is your VIN number. Now, there is a double stamp on that VIN number, so we cannot confirm that it is full numbers matching, but that does match to the VIN. And then getting back in here, you also do have your VIN there on the transmission as well. Now, we do have PHS documents on it, and carburetor's correct, all of the good stuff. Look at through here on all the frame, and the frame supports right there, they are all in good shape. I really like to see that. Coming back here, going to the floor pans, those look really, really, really good. I do like how well they have been taken care of, and there's no type of rot or deterioration spots that I have been able to find on the floor pans. And again, look, I mean, just all the metal, everything on this one is in really, really good shape. You do have your correct 12-bolt rear end, dual exhaust all the way running into your crossover muffler. Fuel tank is in great shape. And then looking back here in the rear, you also do have your Bilstein shocks, rear sway bar. This is set up right. PHS documents, all of the good stuff on this Ram Air 3. You'll definitely want to add this one to your collection if you are looking for a higher quality Ram Air 3.